You are taken to court when other external factors affect you. BC doesn't know that.
Residents of Ngoya Village in Upper Kakwajok sub-location, Rachonyo North, Homabay County, are grappling with a monkey invasion that is now threatening food security. The primates have destroyed acres of farmland, consuming and damaging crops such as maize, potatoes and beans. Now, farmers are increasingly frustrated as their attempts to protect their food supply are being thwarted. Now, beyond farms, the monkeys have been raiding homes, stealing stored food and harvested crops, leaving many households struggling to safeguard their livelihoods.
Iko nyani tunatusumbua sana, hatuwezi lima, hatuwezi panda hata kitu kwa shamba. Kulima tuliwacha miaka 5 ile iliyopita, hatujalima.
We are really finding it very hard. We are requesting the KWS to come and help us. The other time we complained, but they telephoned us and really disturbed us. We even gave them the directions, but they never come. So we are appealing to the government, the county government and the Ministry of